Come here. Don't see mommy. Come over here. Oh. Come on. Keep coming. You almost went the whole. Come on.
Good job.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Good job. You want to go the other way now?
Oh, let's try this way. Come here. Come here. Say, Dad, this is what I got you for your birthday. You gotta give her a little push. She didn't know how to get started. Then, there you go. There you go. Keep going.
Come on. Whoa, you're such a big girl.
Woo, keep going. Yay.
Holy moly.
Look at that. Yay. Yeah. Is that fun? Yay! Say yay! Yay!